Hello guys, today we will do exercise 4.4 of class 9th. Chapter is linear equation and two variables. So there is a two questions in exercise 4.4. So this is the last exercise of chapter linear equation and two variables. So now we will start. So we have exercise 4.4. Now question 1 is saying give the geometric representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation. So we will the first is saying in one variable, so we have to show them in one variable. So in one variable we know that we will draw one straight line है ना, as a number line we will draw, and we will write the same as we draw on the number line. This side is positive, this side is negative. So -1, -2, -3 and -4. Now we will consider this is as y and this as x. Sorry, so y is given as 3. So now y is given as 3, so this is our answer in one variable. Y is equal to 3. So this is the answer. Now they are saying in second is now they are saying in two variables. तो हमें वन वेरिएबल तो गिवन ही है, y इज़ इक्वल टू 3, और अब हमें x निकालना है कि x की वैल्यू क्या है. सो नाउ वी विल डू we will draw one box type of thing. ठीक है. minimum we will take three solutions. ठीक है. to plot them on a graph on the Cartesian plane we will take 3 solutions. ठीक है. So now what we will take the first solution, we can take any. So this is x and this is y. So y is 3, so we will take 3 here, and here we can take any. So 1, 2, 3. So now we will plot them on a graph. And yeah, this is 1, 2. So we want this one only, so we will not draw this one. In exam you have to draw every part. This is minus side. Okay, this is minus side. So abhi we have to take only we have this one. So we will plot on this side now. So x here is given 1. So x is 1 and y is 3. So we will plot this here, and on the other side x is 2 and y is 3 here. So we will get one straight line. ठीक है. We will get one straight line. ठीक है, passing from 3. Now we will mark this what we have got 1, 3. This is 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. Okay. So we have got 3 solutions, so we have marked this on the graph also. Now we will move to question 2. So question 2 is saying geometric representations ठीक है, एज एन इक्वेशन। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन 2, ज्योमेट्रिक रिप्रेजेंटेशंस। ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है। एज एन इक्वेशन वी हैव टू शो, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू शो इन वन वेरिएबल। ठीक है, सो अब हम लोग वन वेरिएबल में एक लाइन, नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे। नाउ so 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 9 upon 2. x is equal to minus 4.5. So ये हमारा x आ रहा है, ये x की वैल्यू ही आ रही है हमारी। अब हम लोग यहाँ पे प्लॉट करेंगे 1, ठीक है। सो हमारा आ रहा है -4.5, तो -4.5 कहीं यहाँ पे जाके आएगा -4.5। ठीक है, वी हैव टू नाउ ड्रॉ इन 2 वेरिएबल्स। सो हमें अब 2 वेरिएबल्स में बनानी है। Now x is given this, ठीक है। ठीक है, सो x यहाँ पे हमारा गिवन है -4.5, so it will be drawn on the negative side of the Cartesian plane. So now we will draw on the negative sides of the Cartesian plane. Now so always remember that when it is coming the straight line, when it is coming the straight line, so it is, your answer is correct. If it is coming the line is not coming straight, so you check when any one of the solution is wrong of yours. So check one of the solution, if line is coming straight, so your answer is correct. Now we will move तो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन हमारा, सेकेंड 2 वेरिएबल्स हमें फाइंड करने हैं। नाउ हम वी वांट टू ड्रॉ द नेगेटिव साइड। ठीक है, ये 0 है हमारा, -1, 2, -3, here no, this is x and this is y. So x is given -4.5, so we have to find y. Now x we will do -4.5, ठीक है. And why we have by we can take any. No. And now we have minus 4.5 something here. So minus 4.5 to 1 it is here. So we will mark in this. Second is this one, and third is this one. This is third. Okay. This is y. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. Now we are this is minus 4.5. Okay. This is minus 4.5. Okay. So we are getting one straight line. Hence our all the answer is correct. Okay. Our answer is correct. So we will get the solutions. Minus 4.5 comma 1 is first solution, and second solution is minus 4.5 comma 2. Second solution is this. Third solution is minus 4.5 comma 3. This third solution. So we have got 3 solutions. So our answer is correct, and this is the complete exercise 4.4. So our exercise 4.4 is complete. So this is the first question. Okay. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Okay. So our first question is this. Okay. So we have plotted this on the number Cartesian plane. So always remember that when we will get one straight line, hence our answer is correct. If we will not get the straight lines, hence our answer is wrong. So you have to check the any one of the solutions from this one. Okay. So if you will not get the straight line, hence your one of the solution is wrong. So please check the solutions. Okay. So this is the question 2 and this is the question 1. So this is the whole exercise of 4.4. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please click the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.